So day number 3 on the riverbed. My worst nightmare. The water has come. The water is here. It's over here already. Yeah. So I'm surrounded. There's some patches start coming there. So for me to get out now, I'll have to drive fast this way. Yeah, I will have to drive fast. This way or this way. But this looks, well, this is farm. But the water, see, it's here. It's coming. All there. There's another patch there. All there's water. Oh my gosh. Ah, there's water here too. And you know, last night I heard the water coming, you know. I heard the lap, lap, lap. You hear it, plap, plap, plap. Oh yeah, it's here. This is no joke. It's coming. This is crazy. The water has gone back out. It's gone. But for some reason, it's back here. So the water came here last night. And it's gone back. Well, maybe the sun, maybe, just maybe the sun can help me. Maybe the sun can help me. Maybe the sun can help me. I think the fishermen net are there. God, there's plenty of fish. Look, all here. Look at fish. So, all I have to hope for, man, there's so much fish there. Huh. And people are starving? Where? Look at fish. And the thing with this river, it's not overpopulated. It's not overfished. It is full of fish. What? Man. Yeah, I tried. I was rowing padding boat. This belongs to padding. The same old man that told me not to come in here. Padding. Yeah. Local canoe boat is not easy. Tell you that one. If you like the gym and you love going to the gym, try one of that. The boat rocks. And you're rowing. Ha! Talk about core exercise. These fishermen are strong. And padding is in his 60s. But would I arm wrestle padding? No. I would never have a chance. Padding is in his 60s. Never would I try to arm wrestle him. Well, the tide is out. So maybe I can wait for the sun. Instead of panicking, wait for the sun to evaporate some of the water there. Look, you know, I heard this thing last night, you know, I heard it plop, 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 plop. But yeah, day number 3 on the lake bed, on the riverbed. Yeah, we're gonna try something. Well, I made it, but I couldn't film it. Ay. Thank you very much. Eee. That was hell.
This one should go on.
Yeah. Hola.
Di bangga deh. Tidak me pati apa? Tidak gua. Mau minum. Di mana ni? Ada nama? Aku kan ni ada. Di mana? Fokus mana ngapa? Kedua. Oh, anak berbayar. Nasaro, tanggo. Apa kamu boleh mau? Apa kau? Semua. Apa kau? Ya, ya. Hey, oh, di inside. Buku dia. Buku dia. Kufa kudu ida. Jika jelampat. Sindem kur. Ini sendal sini salah. Ada jalan mana? Buat orang apa nak? Pero le muka. Hai. Pero kau nak. Buat nani kau?
Put it on the side over your motor.
Huh?
Put it over here.
Zahir Maliba. Abid India. Asabasa.
Yeah, it'll hold. I think so. Yeah. Thank you.
Happy?
Of course I'm happy. 2 days. Yeah.
Oh, how many days?
2 days.
2 days.
This is day number 3.
What is the lesson for you?
Never to go back. You know, Padding told me don't go. Padding said don't go. I said I can go.
Huh?
Yeah. Yeah, but Pat, he said don't go.
I see.
Huh?
Yeah. Yo?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're here.
So let's go.
Got it out. Yeah. So I have one problem to the other. As you can see straight through. All the boys went on the roof. And I broke another glass. My roof rack broken also. Now to fix my roof rack. Yeah. But at least I'm not in the river. Three days in the river. I'm out. Window broken. Which is worse? The river taking my van when the high tide coming, or broken window? Yeah, keep you updated.